Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft Excel 2016 video lesson series. We are talking about math formulas. So let's see some more math formulas and let's use some of the math formula in this video lesson series. So now we have a data of sales forecast for particular month, particular years, channels, and we have actual sales data also. So now let's calculate difference between actual and forecast data. So I am adding a new column. So to insert a new column, we can go to particular cell and click on to this insert and insert columns. So now my column is inserted. I am giving it to a name difference. So now column is added. I am just merging these all cells. Now I want to calculate a difference between these two values, forecast value and actual value. So I will apply formula is equal to, and then I will select first value. How I want to calculate difference? First let me tell you how I want to calculate a difference. I want to know what was the forecast and what is actual value, and I want to calculate a difference between forecast and actual value. So I am subtracting actual value from forecast value. So I will write here formula is equal to forecast minus actual. So H6 minus G6 and press enter key. So I had a forecast of 9,800 rupees and actual value of sales is 8,000. So it has a difference of 1,800. So once I entered after formula all the values, as you have seen, all the values and the difference of all these values are calculated automatically. So I am removing this zero value, and I also want to see complete difference. So I can do it by two ways. I can calculate difference of these two value, which is total of this forecast and actual value, or I can just calculate sum of these all value. So both the way are good. You can do it anyway. So let me calculate by subtracting these two values. So I'm just writing is equal to my first column minus sign and my second column, and press enter key on your keyboard. That's it. The difference between these two values is calculated. So I have actually gained more money than forecast. It is 18,100 rupees. So this is how you can calculate difference. Now I also want to calculate average forecast and actual value, actual sales value of this data. So I am creating new header here, average, and I am formatting a little bit, merging these two cells, left aligned. I'm done. Now I want to calculate average of these numbers. So there is a average functions provided by math functions. So I am going to this auto sum and click on to this drop down. So most used functions will be there. So here it is average. So I am clicking on to this average. Now we are calculating average with using wizard. So let's click on to this average, and you will have to select all the cells of which you want to calculate average. So I am selecting my data from F6 to F16 and enter. So my average forecast is 24,300 rupees. Now I am simply extending it. So I will get my actual sales generated here. So this is about average, calculating average. Likewise you can also calculate minimum value of this data. So this is about average max, mean and difference. Thank you very much.